Hey learner, this is Nilesh Porate. So in this video we are going to see how to install Emmet in your bracket editor. Okay. So Emmet is a tool which is used to make a code faster. They give a lot of shortcuts. So by using this shortcut there is no need to write your line by line code. They expand the code when you use the shortcut to your program. So another thing I want you to install if you use in a bracket is an extension called as a Emmet, and this is really easy to install. So go to your file tab and click on the extension manager. So here we will steal the many different plugins for exactly for this co-editor and type here in Emmet. So here, so see, this is the Emmet. So this is a high speed HTML and CSS workflow, and click this install button. Okay. So they installing this extension by the internet. So see here, installation successful. Click here close button. Okay. So this Emmet is successfully installed on this bracket editor. So close here, and here I can restart this bracket editor. So close this bracket and again reopen. So this is your bracket editor. So click here the allow access. So after successful installation of a Emmet, so this is your the one PHP file. So here I want to put the exclamatory mark and press the tab button. Then see here, this code is automatically entered. So this is the benefit of this installation Emmet tool. Okay. So this is the one shortcut. See here, just use the exclamatory mark and press the tab button. This code is automatically entered. So they save a lot of time when you develop your application. So this is the basic structure of any HTML program. Not necessary to write every time to your new file project code. So this is the shortcut by using Emmet. So there is a one more shortcut. See here, HTML:5 and then again press tab. Okay. So there are two ways to display this code. Again we see that there are more shortcut tags. So see here in this body section, when you type this your div tag, then see here this they close this div tag automatically. So many times we define a class to inside a div tag, like div class is equal to, so this is my class. Okay, when you design a web page, then there is a need to assign a one class to this div tag. So there is a one shortcut in Emmet. So see here how to write this code. Just type div dot my class and press tab. Okay, so this is the one shortcut, div dot my class. Or one more is that dot my class. Div is your the by default tag in this HTML. So press the tab, again div class my class. Press here tab, div class my class. Next, if you want to set the ID to the div tag, so for example div ID is equal to, for example this is my ID. So if you want to give the one ID to this div tag, then there is a one more shortcut. See here, div, when you enter the dot, then they give a class name. Then there is a one more hash to give the ID. So this is a my ID and press the tab button. So see, this is div ID, my ID. Okay. So by using hash my ID to give the ID to this div tag. Now if you want to add the ID plus class in a single tag, id plus tag in a single tag, then see here how to use. So div, then hash, this is the my id, then dot, this is the my class. Press tab. Okay, so this is the one shortcut by using this hash my id dot my class. So by using hash, they define this id name, and by using dot, they define this is a class name. Press here tab button. Okay, then when you type the hdr and press the tab button, then see there is a one header tag. Same here, when you type the ftr, then press the tab button, there is a one footer tag. Okay, then this is a one paragraph tab p, and in curly bracket, when you give a one message, this is a para, and when you press tab button, and see here this message is inside this paragraph tag. Again same here, p dot my class, and this is a one message, this is a para. So press here tab button. See this my class give the class name, and this is your the paragraph message. So same here again, if you want to give the one tag into the another tag, for example div greater than p, so here press the tab button. See here this paragraph tag is inside this div tag. One more, div greater than, so this is a unordered list, and this is a list tag. Press the tab button. See div, then ul, then li. Again if div ul li, and in curly bracket we use the one message, for example item 1, and press the tab. See here this item 1 is in this list item. If you want to repeat this item, for example 4 times, then use *4. Press tab. See here this item is repeated 4 times. Now here I want to change this number for the every list item. Then see here item, then press here $. So $sign used to represent the numeric value. So press here tab, then see here item 1 2 3 4. Okay, then again for example p into 4, press tab. See this paragraph tab repeated 4 times. Same here h1 into 5, h1 is the header 1 tag. Press tab button. See header 1 is repeated 5 times. So next see another examples, for example div. So this is a one message, this is a div, so greater than p, so this is a inside tag, this is a para, then again greater than p, again there is a one message, this is a child, and press tab. So see here this is your outer tag div, then p close here, so this piece is close here, and this div is here, div class. Okay, so see the next example, div hash my id, then greater than sign p, so this is a para, then dot my class greater than p, then this is a child tab. See here this div set the id, so this is the one paragraph. Okay, see here my class, so check here div hash my id greater than p, this is a para, then greater than p dot my class, and this is a child. Press here tab button. Okay, then this class is assigned to this para. Okay, then see here div plus P plus H1. Press tab. See, all these three tags are displayed one after another. Okay, again form, press tab. See here, form and its action is defined here. Just pass here the action name. Okay, same here, input, and press tab button. See here, input type equal to text. So text is the by default text in the input tag. So if you want to check box, then see here, input colon checkbox, press tab. So see, input type checkbox, name and ID. Okay, same here, input colon S, press tab. See, input type equal to submit. So these are the examples of these HTML. So by using this way, we save the time in your. So this is the many shortcuts available by using these Emmet tools. So they save a lot of time. Just type your shortcut name and press the tab button. So students, install this Emmet on your machine, because we are using this tool on next CMS project application. So till if you have any queries, then comment on the query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.